Yeah, I guess that works.
To start the ceiling, I wanted lines drawn so I could get the laser out of the way. It's a big shower, but it's a small place to work in.
Everyone, as part of their home tool lineup, should have some sewing machine oil. It's clear and won't stain. That's why they use it in sewing machines. Why is that important? You can use it on door hinges. When your door hinges are creaking, you can use sewing machine oil on them, and it won't splatter the walls with oil color.
Then it was over to cutting specifically placed holes again. I don't have the fancy suction cup guide tools, so I had Santo hold something that I could brace against.
So it's not downward pressure because this is slippery.
Yeah.
You got to get your body against one side of it and then hold it from twisting there.
Okay, that's hard to do, but...
Well, there you go. So like...
This way more. That way.
Oh, I have a laser. So about there. That looks super duper off to me. How's it for the laser? The alignment of the tile?
Pretty good. Pretty good. That one's good. I've got this corner in the right place.
Yeah, that'll do.
What do you think?
I think that your solution on how to draw that was pretty okay.
All right.
Oh man, this is a little wetter than I might want.
Again, I get to reiterate one more time, like I've said before, the great importance of keeping tile work clean as you go. Also, I get to talk for the first time about the consistency of the Thinset. You can follow manufacturer instructions, and depending on your measuring care and the tools you have, you may get varying results, as I have here. It won't take long before you start to develop a sense of what sort of thickness you want, and it doesn't hurt to adjust it partway through.
Do you want spacers?
I would like a level and leveling clips. That's pretty good. That's okay. That's all right-ish. Nice. Well, that's one of a lot. We gotta sort out this wetness situation. So remember how it's swiped towards the side. So you got to get a first level burn in first.
Yeah.
Clean it up as you go a little bit.
This is way better.
Sitting?
The
Yeah.
I blame 80% of the mess on the fluid stuff.
Yeah. So then I'm starting near the edge, but not right at the edge. And I'm trying to come up to very close to the other side.
Okay.
And then lift it up a little bit.
Yeah, all right.
And then,
Do you want more at that end?
oh, missed a spot. Thank you. And then come along and give me a nice cleaned up bevel in the Thinset. Like that.
Yep.
And I'll get a little bit more on there.
Part of the mess is also because I forgot to do it across the narrow dimension.
Yep. So if you could give them to me like that, I'd be pretty happy.
I will try.
That one is perfectly centered. How's the other hole?
Reasonable.
What does that mean?
This edge is about, well, gosh, maybe 1/8 of an inch outside.
But it's not covering the old hole.
No, it's not covering the old hole anywhere.
Should be good then.
This is oriented the correct way.
Yes.
You can tell because of the lines. I was going to hand it to you, but I was going to wait till you were up there.
This is the first full ceiling tile to go in, and I'm leaving a bit more of its placement so you can see how you not only have to take care of getting the first tile in, but also go back and check after to see if it's moved any of the other tiles.
You need another set of arms doing that?
I need another set of shorts after the stool moved. There we go.
I've got two different trowel lines on this tile because I wanted to show that you can adjust for small variations in wall or ceiling unflatness with Thinset. In this case, a larger trowel applies more Thinset, and I wanted that to even out the front edge.
Okay. Up we go. Definitely have enough Thinset in the back. We might be okay up front. So I think we're okay. I think we made a shower. For anyone who is a little bit new or hasn't heard, wasn't around at the time, gee whiz, this is nuts. My original plan for this end of the house was to have the bathroom over here. It was a more symmetrical, nicer looking overall floor plan. It made sense in being able to get a tub installed as well. Unfortunately, I realized later that it would have made the front of the house look really weird with the windows that I had planned for that bathroom. So I had to cancel that plan, and I was really struggling with how to design a bathroom to be in that side of the house. And my friend Max came in and he's just like, big shower. And I'm like, that'd be a really big shower. He's like, big shower. I'm like, okay. Well, we'll have a look at it, see how it looks. So we start mocking it up, and then I'm like, you know what? If we're gonna go that big, we kind of have to go at least this big. And he's like, big shower. So that shower that big was Mux's idea. And it's been a pain in the butt.